Tired of feeling lost when it comes to your money? First, let's add some income. See that plus sign at the bottom? Tap it. Input your income source and the amount you expect to receive. Then, select the income category and hit done. Boom, your income is recorded. Next, let's plan out your spending. This is where the magic happens. Go through each category and allocate the amount you plan to spend. Don't be afraid to edit or add new categories to fit your life. Remember, every dollar is completely customizable. Time to track your spending. When you spend money, log it in the app and drag it to the right category. Watch as your budget updates instantly, showing you exactly where your money is going. Finally, use the reports feature to see where you can improve. Analyze your spending habits and find areas where you can cut back or save more. Knowledge is power. That's it. The Premium Every Dollar gives you the tools to build a budget, track your spending, and achieve your financial goals. Go get that life.